Hello, on the Nissan Qashqai, another name for the Nissan Dualis, we have an engine. Four-cylinder engine has a volume of 2.0. This engine was created in 2005 by the Nissan-Renault Alliance. Nissan produced an engine called the mr20 and the Renault produced one called the M4R. M4R is installed on Renault Megane and the Renault Fluence. It's just a variation of the mr20 engine. We have this engine with a CVT box all-wheel drive. We can sell this box on Nissan Qashqai. If you need a CVT, then you can buy from us. Just me a message. We also have ignition coils and a throttle valve. I can also say that we also have a generator, start and various sensors. Now I want to tell you briefly about us. We buy cars at auction in Japan. Then our cars are disassembled for spare parts in Japan. The loading process is very simple. The engine and the gearbox are loaded into a container and sent to us. We leave the rest of the details there because we are only interested in the engine and the gearbox. If you are interested in this engine, write me a message. I will give you feedback. Goodbye.